येरादारी खात्यान हालींच जनतेमदीं येरादारी नेमांची जागृताय जावपाक नेमांचें उल्लंघन करप्यांचे फोटो ईमेल करात म्हूण आवाहन केल्लें. ह्या येवजणेक जनतेचो उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद मेळत आसा आनी दिसाक सुमार 80 वयर ह्यो केसी फोटो आनी व्हिडिओच्या रुपांत ईमेलार येरादारी खात्या मेरेन पावत आसा म्हूण येरादारी SP देवेश कुमार म्हाला हांणी म्हायती दिल्या. RDX स्क्वाब ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
We are thankful to our supporters. We are getting an excellent response on Gmail and Facebook. Around, I can say, we are getting around 80 plus complaints every day about traffic violations.
So what
photographs, videos, many kind of like no parking, without helmet, zebra crossing, jumping red light, parking on zebra lines, all this kind of parking on handicapped parking. They all type of complaints we are getting every day. I am personally monitoring and we are challenging them. Traffic Sentinel scheme, we are going to start it, and I am sure we will be starting it within 2 weeks at the max. Team will be deployed into it, and the specific and complete detail of its operation, the SOP of it will be laid down. All FNQ will be also shared with media, and we will be starting in 15 days. You all will come to know everything about the scheme, about the Traffic Sentinel scheme. Relation between our people and police has increased, and people have also started applying for traffic warden, the scheme that we are running now. Anyone can apply for traffic warden in the concerned traffic cell, and the application will be forwarded to me, and we award them with a identity card of traffic warden, and they do also work with us. With this traffic warden scheme on Gmail or Facebook, we are getting quite a good response. And once we get photo and video, to whomever we challan, if that fellow argue that I have not crossed this, I have not violated traffic law, we just show him the video and photo.